Here you can access the reports and images associated with all the exams you've had at Premier. If you've been here before, then you can enter your user ID and password to get logged in right away. If this is your first time at the patient portal, click this Create an Account right below the Login button. Or if you forgot your username or password, click Can't Access Your Account. If you have a slip of paper that you received at the time of your exam at Premier, you can enter that I-code over here on the left. Those codes do expire after 30 days, and they only give you access to the one exam that's associated with that code. So we recommend that you create an account and log in for full functionality. We're in. In the top menu here, you see exams, appointments, messages, and get help. And your account settings and logout are at the very top. All of your exams will be listed in this left sidebar. Exam results are available 4 days after your exam. So let's view this MRI knee exam. The radiologist report is first, and this report is meant for you to look over with your physician who ordered the report. So if you want, you can hit this print icon, print out the report, and then take it with you to your follow-up appointment with your physician who ordered the exam. See this Images tab? Here's where you can see all the images from your exam. We take them in series. So you see Series 1, Series 2. If you click on this hamburger menu icon on the right side, it shows you all of the images for that series. And then if you want to see one in greater detail, click on it and it'll open full size in a new tab. Going back to my main tab, let's see if I have any upcoming appointments. If you do have upcoming appointments, you'll see a list of them here. While there is a Make New Appointment icon here, we really recommend that you call us at 931-528-1800. We only have the functionality through this portal to schedule mammograms, and even if you do have a mammogram you'd like to schedule, it's really a lot faster if you call us at 931-528-1800. In the Messages tab, this is where you can send secure messages to Premier. My message is about the patient portal, and I'd like to receive the follow-up response through the portal as well. Go ahead and hit send to send this message securely to Premier. Then I'll check back in the inbox to see when Premier responds. This Get Help tab is if you're having trouble with the patient portal itself. If you're having any technical difficulty, or you'd like to report something that you don't think is right, please submit this to us. Now let me look at my account settings in the top right-hand corner. This is where I can change any of my personal information. I can change my username, password, and security questions. Or I could grant access to this portal to a caregiver or a family member. I would invite an authorized user and then fill out their name and information and make a password for them. The password you make for them won't be emailed to them, so you'll have to share it with them personally. And then finally, set if you would like this to never expire, or leave it blank if you do want the access to expire. Finally, when you're done, remember to log out with the button in the top right corner, especially if you're using a shared device. This is to keep your medical information secure. Thank you for choosing Premier, and remember, if you have any trouble at all with your patient portal, give us a call. We'll help you fast.